drive. We'll have a look at this video clip on the Vantrue app. We'll have a look at the number plates, make sure we can see those clearly, especially oncoming ones where we might have to freeze the frame, and we'll see what this audio recording is like as well. Got the fans on high at the moment, it's pretty hot out, it's 30 degrees. Looks like it will be for the next week, pretty much. So installation went well, the power lead is long enough so you can tuck it around the windscreen, and in my case underneath the little drawer underneath the dashboard, and back out into the power point. It's quite a low profile plug compared with the other one I was using. It's a better fit where it's going, and it's also got that through USB socket we can use. I just transferred the 32 gig card that was in my other Vantrue dash camera. Just formatted it. It recognised it needed formatting as soon as I put it in. Turn the car on, so we did that, and yeah, we're good to go. I've got it on the 30 frames a second HDR version, resolution rather. There is a higher resolution but non-HDR. You can switch it down to 1920 by 1080 at 60 frames a second. Also see how accurate the GPS is. Worth noting that the square screen on the actual dash cam does not show the full image as is being recorded. It's only when you connect your phone with the app to the dash cam that you see the full field of view being displayed. So yeah. Got it set for 5-minute recordings with audio, I hope.